Yesterday I was cooking a ready-made pizza in the frying pan. It came out very tough at the bottom. I couldn't cut it with a table knife. I had to bring out the scissors. So today we tried this. We have aluminum cups for cakes. They are used already. I think there should be no danger. I will try to put the pizza on top of there, and then I put on the lid, and then we have it as a little oven. I have an oven, but I don't want to heat it up for a little pizza. Yeah, the pizza is now on top of the cups. We put on the lid. It's actually hanging on the pizza. It's little. There we are, pretty tight. So what I'm missing is a thermometer on the lid. I don't know if it has been invented yet. Close the ventilation of the lid there. Okay, let's cook and eat. Yeah, it seems hot enough. The cheese has melted. Let's see, I cook it for a few minutes. I think they suggest 8 minutes in the oven. The result is good, or say perfect. I'm just eating it. So that's what I'm going to do in the future, I think. The cups got a little stuck to the bottom of the pizza, so maybe one should oil them on the edges.